Psalm 42. As the hart panteth after the water brooks, so panteth my soul after thee, O Elohim. My soul thirsteth for Elohim, for the living El. When shall I come and appear before Elohim? My tears have been my meat day and night, while they continually say unto me, Where is thy Elohim? When I remember these things, I pour out my soul in me, for I had gone with the multitude. I went with them to the house of Elohim, with the voice of joy and praise, with a multitude that kept a holy day. Why art thou cast down, O my soul? And why art thou disquieted in me? Hope thou in Elohim, for I shall yet praise him for the help of his countenance. O my Elohim, my soul is cast down within me. Therefore will I remember thee from the land of Jordan, and the Hermonites from the hill Mizah. Deep calleth unto deep at the noise of thy waterspouts. All thy waves and thy billows are gone over me. Yet Yahuwah will command his loving kindness in the daytime, and in the night his song shall be with me, and my prayer unto the El of my life. I will say unto El, my rock, Why hast thou forgotten me? Why go I mourning because of the oppression of the enemy? As with a sword in my bones, mine enemies reproach me, while they say daily unto me, Where is thy Elohim? Why art thou cast down, O my soul? And why art thou disquieted within me? Hope thou in Elohim, for I shall yet praise him, who is the health of my countenance and my Elohim.